Alright, so this was a little bit of an informal test that I was doing here between the Ryobi 18-volt impact driver, the Makita XLT that is actually like 15 years old with an 18-volt battery pack, of course, because they're 18-volt, and then the corded Dewalt chuckless drill. And these are all the yellow decking screws, 4-inch, into a cedar post. And as you can tell, the Dewalt is by far the fastest of them driving the screws. Now, it does have some disadvantages. One, the cord, and then two, it is a longer drill, and the nose of it is longer, so it's harder to get the screws when they're longer, like 4 inches, to stay straight. The impact drivers are, shorter nubs up front. They do better. Even though the Ryobi and the Makita aren't too far apart, the Makita definitely was a little faster, and even more than that, it was way smoother.